35% of UK doctors are migrants who have graduated overseas before working for the National Health Service or NHS. But often, migrant doctors experience pay gaps and career barriers, despite contributing positively to the UK's National Health Service delivery. So just how do these gaps and barriers occur? By analyzing data from over 5,000 NHS doctors, researchers found that gaps and barriers stemmed from established workplace practices, creating a host of long-term issues for a variety of migrant subgroups, especially females. In medicine, doctors with more seniority and training tend to make more money, creating pay gaps over time. But researchers found that UK qualified male doctors often have disproportionately more seniority than their migrant counterparts, creating large pay disparities. Researchers found that the largest pay gaps are between male UK qualified doctors and their immigrant female counterparts, suggesting inequality concerning promotion and advancement. Researchers also found that support from management or the implementation of workforce practices that equip employees to deal with challenges can significantly reduce career barriers for all doctors, particularly for female physicians. But the perception of management support was found to be lower for some groups, particularly female migrant doctors who had children, creating career barriers for female doctors struggling to balance work and home life. As pay gaps in the field of medicine are frequently studied on the basis of gender or ethnicity, but rarely simultaneously, this new research may help fill the gaps and pull down barriers crucial to migrant success. Wonder how career outcomes evolve for migrant medical professionals? If so, you may want to read this paper.